Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy James Truss. Guys, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video. I have some good opportunity that come my way. There's only going to be a few opportunities that I'm going to actually be promoting this year. You know, uh, this is going to be one of them. Okay, this is a great opportunity, guys. This is called the DirectFlow365. Just launched not too many days ago. It is a professional system. Man, it got some great stuff in the back office. This is the capture page, of course. It is capture page. They got what you call a rotator. Let's check out the back office for a minute. I'm not gonna click on none of this stuff. I'm scared I may click on something and show somebody information. I don't want to do that because I got leads in the back office. And you're able to advertise any business opportunity you want once you get this system. All right. It's telling you what to do about your cash out. That's your link right there. That'll be your link. Telling you what to do, how to uh test your page. Guys, when you do join this opportunity and you got a cash out, all right, you can come in with your regular cash out, but I suggest that later on you get a business cash out. That's gonna be more better for you. I mean, because if you start getting a lot of $100, that which what I'm looking at doing, once they go and go live with uh the autoresponder system, I mean, when they load up the follow-ups, I'm gonna send it out to a big number of people, but I'm gonna have my business cash out because I'm expecting some results. Okay, I'm not gonna see I'm not expecting anything. I'm looking at doing about $300 a day with it. I'm gonna stay focused with it. It's only $100 and $10 a month. It's a reverse two up system, guys. It's a reverse two up system, and I'm telling you, it is a great system. They talk about the comp plan when you get in the back office. Uh, when you log in and sign up, they start showing you, talking to you, your CD video before you even join. But if you guys opt in and do all that stuff, I'm telling you, join this opportunity. All right, this the solo ad they'll send out to you. When you do join, guys, they got it where you can pay $15 for some advertising being on the rotator. I suggest that's a solo ad provider. We'll talk about the rotator when we get down. I suggest that you do that. That's my suggestion, guys, that you pay the $15 for the rotator. I did. I got a sale out of it. I got two people. I joined Tuesday around 9 o'clock. Here it is Thursday, 4:04 p.m. I'm making this video. And I got two prospects that's gonna send me $100. So I can't wait to give my one up. And so I can by the time I get my one up, I'm hoping that they have the autoresponder loaded up with the messages so I can start having 20 to 30 people to talk to a day. And that'll give me $300 a day, guaranteed, right? Guaranteed to give me $300 a day. Just sitting here contacting, emailing folks back, texting them, because you can do all of that. When you have the email, I show you how you can advertise, get a person name, phone number, email address, and get their uh mailing address. So I'm gonna hit them on every area. I'm gonna email them. I want to talk to them. Then I'm gonna send them out a letter as well, and I'm gonna do that consistently. All right, because that's the key. This the rotator part of it, guys. Uh, 365, the direct flow 365 rotator. Uh, Great. You can buy a spot in that for $50. What I'm gonna do, if you join me, I'm gonna pay that first $50 for you to get started. Uh, yeah. No matter if you are the second person and you say you're my second person and I have to give you up. Once they set up the autoresponder, guys, I will go ahead and get your link and I'll put you in that. I'll put you in that. And I'm telling you, they got some great leads, guys. Great leads. I'm very pleased with the leads that I'm getting. Like I said, people talk to me. I call them on the phone. I got my own leads as well, but their leads are very good as well. Just a little bit talk about the inner circle program. Quickly building your team, right? become a leader, top earner. So they some guys that looking at like they want to see everybody be successful, and I'm good with that. Like I said, it's a reverse 2x2 uh program, one up matrix. So you pass your second person up. I already got my first person the first day I joined, got him off the rotator, and I got two people. Hope this lady going to join tonight, and I got one I know going to probably join Saturday, so it'll be good. But the goal is $300 a day. I got a plan. This is a great system, guys. A great, 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 great system. So they talk about the other program, which I'm going to join later on. You can check that out, guys. They got a rotator for that. I think by the end of this year I could be doing $20,000 a month with both of these programs. That's the goal. That's the plan. I'm telling you guys. They teach people about following up, how to follow up. I've been following up with people in these opportunities for years, and I love follow up. I don't mind somebody telling me no. That's okay. We move on. All right. So, like I said, go ahead and join me. I'll pay for your first advertiser of $50 when you cash out, whether you be my one up or whatever. All right, I'll do that. And I'm gonna do that probably a lot. Probably a lot to get the ball rolling because I want those one ups to come in too. So I'm gonna do that about 10 times. All right. So if you're watching this video later on, you're gonna have to ask me, hey James, have you already got 10 people signed up? And I'll tell you, yeah, I got them signed up. I'm not doing that anymore. Uh, but and then again, I might say, yeah, I got 10, but yeah, I'll let you get in still because if I'm getting those one ups, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? So like if you send me $100, I'll take that money and advertise your opportunity to help you get started. All right. This is the capture page, sweet little capture page, great little video. Guys, I don't know, can you hear this or not, but it's a great little video. Man, hold on.
To have that peace of mind knowing that those monthly bills have been taken care of.
Watch that. It's a sweet little video, man.
Event. Maybe even finally treat yourself and put yourself first for once.
Listen, check it out. Opt in. It's $110, guys. $110. $100 one time and $10 a month. Guys, it can easily give us $300 a day just on this front end. I caught it, man. I said, yeah, we can do this. I'm getting my advertising ready. So when they upload the autoresponder, guys, we're going to knock it out the park. I'm telling you, we're going to knock it out the park. All you're going to need now, you can start with your personal Cash App, but later on, you want to set up a business account with Cash App. All right? Because I think, that's going to be better. My name is James Truss, guys. Listen, I still save silver and gold. You know me, I'm the silver and gold guy. That's what I do. But listen, I also like to do multiple streams of income. So thank you for watching this video. Like I said, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, thumb down. Let me know something, guys. All right. My information is in the link below. So have a great day just because you can.